Vision Pharma manufactures pharmaceutical drugs. This diagram shows how they source raw material and other goods, such as containers and bottles, from various suppliers. Delta Glass supplies bottles and containers. Alpha Chemicals supplies chemical ingredients. Gamma Distributor is a distributor and supplier to General Hospital. General Hospital has received batches of vaccines with deterioration. Vision Pharma wants more end-to-end visibility into the supply chain, so they can identify the cause for such issues. This dashboard page shows all trading partners invited by Vision Pharma to be part of the network using Oracle Intelligent Track and Trace. At the top of the page, you can see the global search icon, which enables the searching of documents and items using fuzzy search. By typing in only a few characters, such as shipping, you can see all of the shipping documents. Select the trace icon on the far right to find out more about shipments. This flow view shows all the different transaction documents that are directly and indirectly related to the shipping document you selected. You can select one of them to see a pop-up showing attributes in the document, such as this one, which has a warning. To dig deeper, select the timeline view. This timeline view shows date, document, location, and details for each recorded transaction. As you scroll through the timeline, the location is shown on the map. Scrolling through will show a highlighted warning. This one shows that IoT data was received during the shipment that violated temperature threshold rules. On the far right, you can click on the temperature chart associated with this warning to get a detailed view of the temperature readings reported. To see a full summary of all warnings, select the warning icon on the left navigation. These are flagged by different smart contract rules and can be defined by trading partners that are members of the network. The third view or tab at the top of the screen shows which documents are visible and to whom. Those in bold are submitted documents by the associated trading partner, and those shaded are replicated and visible to other trading partners. You can select a specific item such as a purchase order to view details of the document. An icon on the left navigation will show a full list of documents by type and category. You can easily filter based on various criteria, such as document type here by selecting from the pie chart. For administrators, use the lower left icon to access the configuration toolset. Click on the Flow tab to see a group of documents that are typically part of a single transaction. The flows are defined in a way that makes sense from a tracking perspective. Founders initially define the base flows, then invited endorsing trading partners have permission to edit the flows, as well as add rules that will be added to automatically generate smart contracts. Even the flows can be edited when in configuration mode. One of the key features of Oracle Intelligent Track and Trace is the user experience. The service permits the definition and creation of business flows by a business user without having to write code. Shown here is the tool for the creation of a flow, which can then be combined with other flows to model the full supply chain process and participants. Simulation allows for the generation of mock data for each document in the selected flow. It is useful for testing out the document type definitions, smart contract rules, and allows visualization to see how flows will help in tracking and tracing before activating the entire network. Using Oracle Intelligent Track and Trace enables multi-tier visibility across the supply chain for pharmaceuticals so that potential causes, such as deterioration of vaccine quality, can be detected and resolved.